All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about the top 3 foods that can help you finally put a stop to those painful leg cramps. If you're a senior and you know exactly what I'm talking about, then this is for you.
Are you just sick of it? That sudden, sharp pain that just jolts you awake in the middle of the night. It's so frustrating, it's disruptive, and you know what? It's a very, very real problem.
Well, the good news is you are definitely not alone in this. And the even better news? The solution might be way closer than you think. In fact, it could be right there in your kitchen. The right foods can really help relax your muscles, improve your circulation, and stop those cramps before they even have a chance to start. So, let's jump right in with our first superfood, the humble but truly incredible egg. I'm telling you, this thing is an absolute powerhouse for muscle health.
So why are eggs so powerful? Well, it's because they're a complete protein. What that means is they contain all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs. You see, as we get older, we can start to lose muscle mass. The technical term is sarcopenia, and that leads to fatigue and cramps. These amino acids are exactly what your body needs to repair those muscles and fight back.
And think about this. Just one single large egg packs about 6 grams of this amazing high-quality protein. That's a huge boost for reducing muscle fatigue, and that can directly lead to fewer of those painful cramps.
Of course, I know what you're thinking. What about the cholesterol? For years, eggs got such a bad rap. But here's the deal. Modern research shows that for most healthy seniors, eating about an egg a day, so 6 or 7 a week, is perfectly safe and won't mess with your cholesterol. It's really time to let go of that old fear.
But it's not just about protein. Eggs are loaded with other key players. Vitamin D helps your muscles absorb the calcium they need to contract properly. And then you have vitamin B12 and choline. They work as a team to protect your nerves, helping to prevent those misfired signals that actually trigger a cramp.
Now, this chart really puts it into perspective. One egg gives you about 40 international units of vitamin D. And while that's a great start, seniors really need closer to 800 a day. So just think of eggs as one fantastic part of the solution, working together with other sources, like a little bit of sunshine or other fortified foods.
Okay, let's move on to our second superfood. This one is a classic cramp fighter, and believe me, it absolutely lives up to its reputation. I'm talking about the powerful banana. The star of the show in bananas is, of course, potassium. I want you to think of potassium as the traffic controller for your muscles. It's an electrolyte, and its job is to make sure the signals between your nerves and muscles are clear and that your contractions are nice and smooth, not sudden and painful.
And get this, a single medium banana delivers a massive 420 milligrams of potassium. That's about 12% of what you need in a whole day, making it one of the easiest and most effective ways to keep your potassium levels topped up.
But a banana is definitely not a one-trick pony. It also brings magnesium to the party, which helps muscles relax, and a solid dose of vitamin D6 for nerve health. It is a true cramp-fighting combo.
And here is a fantastic, actionable tip for you. If you're someone who suffers from those nighttime cramps, try eating a banana an hour or 2 before you go to sleep. It can really help balance those electrolytes and relax your muscles, maybe even stopping those spasms before they start.
Okay, for our third and final category, we're looking at the mighty nutrient-dense world of nuts and seeds. These little wonders pack a serious punch against cramps.
So here, the main focus is on magnesium, which is pretty much the ultimate muscle relaxer. A lot of seniors just don't get enough of it, and that can directly lead to cramps. And just look at these numbers. A single ounce of pumpkin seeds gives you an incredible 168 milligrams. Almonds and cashews are fantastic sources too.
And just like bananas, nuts, and seeds have multiple benefits, pistachios and almonds also loaded with potassium. Plus, the healthy fats they have are key. The omega-3s in walnuts help fight inflammation, and the fats in almonds can actually improve circulation, making sure your muscles get the oxygen they need.
The key here is just a little moderation. Because nuts and seeds are pretty high in calories, a small handful, about 1 ounce, is the perfect daily amount to get all these benefits without overdoing it.
So we've covered the what and the why. Now let's put it all together into a simple daily action plan you can actually use.
Think of this as your roadmap. Number 1, aim for about an egg a day. 2, make a banana part of your daily routine. 3, grab that handful of unsalted nuts or seeds. And finally, number 4, and this is crucial, don't forget the foundation of it all. Stay hydrated. Water is absolutely essential for your electrolyte balance.
And that's really the main takeaway from all of this. This isn't about a radical diet change. It's about these small, consistent additions that over time really add up to huge improvements in your muscle health and a life with way fewer cramps. So the only question left is where you're going to start. Is it going to be an egg for breakfast, a banana for a snack, or maybe a handful of almonds this afternoon? Let that be your very first step towards a cramp-free life.